The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall.
This police says he's a world boss. And what's so nice? Say he's a world boss now, you're still the police, right? Yeah, the people are here, you want to go. More than nice, he's sweet. More than nice. Me take you, I'll take video. Hope I live for tomorrow, I live long like you. Just so you use a boss, I gonna live more long than you. You fuck up yourself? Can't stop you from drinking. You like rum. There's a Lance Corporal. Lance Corporal battlefield. Jerry? We gotta get crash truck, you gotta drive over the bridge. You gotta jump here, carry push over the bridge. Case in the yard you wanna go. Tell me the boss now, no? This making nightly news. Nightly news is making. No pressure. No pressure. What? What? A good soldier, you know what I'm to me the other day? Me and me in lad them at the out, right? And when I go, was on a deal with the matter. A man juke me to I go for make a report. And this man put me on the bench like hey, some criminal. And you know what's on a done deal with the matter, what you see? The turn it get calm, you know it's calmer. You know what it's done?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Yeah. Alright, so I just presented a video to you that is out on social media, and based on what has been said on social media and also in the video, it would seem as if the person that you see leaning on the car, right? It is said that that man is a police officer, right? No, that man is not in any uniform based on what I'm seeing in the video. However, it says that he's a police officer. So I am assuming that he's off duty. And the information there in this video and also what has been said in the video, it seems as if the man met into an accident. Yeah, because I look at the car, you know, and it is said that he is drunk, right? He is drunk and met into an accident. Yeah, so this video is basically called a off-duty drunken police officer met in an accident. Now, viewers and subscribers, you hear somebody in the background of the video saying some things, you know what I mean? And it would seem as if that what the man in the background is saying is that somewhat sounding like karma had reached the person that is considered to be off-duty police officer that met into a car accident. All right, and you know, there are other persons there, you know, they are saying their thing, and this man is trying to say, right, to other persons about something that had happened between him and that man that is claimed to be an off-duty police officer, right? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm looking at the video and I'm thinking that the police officer might be intoxicated for real. Yeah, drunk, you know? Yeah, it seems intoxicated. Is it? Yeah, and the things that the man is saying in the background, you know, it's out on social media. Some people find it funny and some people not so much, you know. Some people say different things. That's what I say. So anyway, viewers and subscribers, I bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think, you know. You know, my own go up say everything is alright and everything is okay, and as long as nobody not hurt, you know, the thing go already, there's always life. So big up to the police officer, big up to the person talking in the background of the video, and you, my viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about something like this that had happened. Alright? Yeah. Alright. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?